Again, it's my Zünden Pro. You guys have seen this on many videos, I'm sure. This thing throws sparks like there's no tomorrow. The hot tent fail video, I had a cheap version of this. It just wasn't working out. I ordered the Uberleben one, and it's been on every adventure since. Has not let me down. So let's see what Uberleben sent over. All right, so fire starter. Oh, cool. Looks like a whole pack of stickers. We'll just dump them out on the table and I'll show you those in a second. Oh yeah, build fire or die. All right, next here is the Zünden Pro. Oh guys, I haven't worn one of these for a while. Thank you again, Uberleben, for sending this out. This is gonna come in handy for those hot chocolates or those coffees in the morning. I understand there's some little tips and tricks to take care of this. We'll have to check them out. This is so cool. Oh, it's like the perfect size. There you go, 8-ounce capacity. See, the cool thing about Uberleben is not only do they send me this is stuff that I use in my videos. You guys have seen it. I use the Zünden Pro to light my hot tent stove, and it looks like, oop, I just broke the packaging for the Hexa. So this is the Hexa 6. So this black coating, guys, you have to get through that black coating. That is more or less like just a protective paint. I love their packaging. Their labeling is so cool. So this is the Uberleben Hexa 6. As you guys can see, it has a hex shape to it. And this is the fire starter that they, or the striker that they give you with it. So on one side is like a lip. I'm sure the camera's probably not picking that up, but there's a small lip here. So once you get through that black coating, oh wow. Oh wow, this might throw sparks better than my Zünden Pro. So this is pretty cool, this little striker here. So again, that striker has that little lip on it. You guys can see the side where it says Uberleben. There's a little lip here. And this here is kind of to scrape your tinder. So if you had like a stick or a birch bark, you would scrape that birch bark or the stick to get some fluff. And then you would hit it with your striker. I think we'll probably do something a little different with this lanyard, but it gives you plenty of room. You only need a very small area to really throw the spark. Maybe an inch or two to get a good spark, but you want to throw a real good spark, you go all the way down the rod. So we'll test that out in a little bit. You'll definitely see that in future videos. And a fire kit, very cool, very cool. So again, Uberleben sent all this stuff over. This is kind of just an unboxing video. We will get out and test this stuff in the future, in the very near future. So rubber band. Not only does it keep the box closed, but you can actually cut this off in little strips and use it to extend your fire. This little container is pretty cool. It's got their Uberleben logo on it. Oh, cool. So I believe you can use this as a bellows also. It is like aluminum, and then you put this through. And then you guys have seen me, I've actually made something similar to this with a bullet case, but you'll fray this up. So another good use for this. Fray it up. Another striker. So you guys know this is very familiar to the striker on the Zünden Pro. Only mine is yellow, this one is black. We'll have to add that on. We may add that on to the Hexa Pro, or the Hexa 6-inch. That's the Hexa Mini. So like I said, guys, this is just the black is just a protective coating. And this is the Uberleben Tinder TP. So this is gonna be a backup fire kit for me next video, but I just want to get this out real quick. So again, guys, Uberleben, thank you. Uberleben, build fire or die. Thank you guys again for checking this stuff out with me. Uberleben, thank you very much for sending it over. And guys, keep an eye out for those test videos. They'll be coming very, very shortly.